Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from Google Sheets to Google Contacts. This is incredibly useful when you have a list of contacts stored in a spreadsheet and want to add them to Gmail without manually typing each one. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the account where your contact spreadsheet is stored. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your files and documents. Now, once you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet that contains all your contact data. This could be a list of names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any other relevant information you want to import. Make sure the spreadsheet is organized properly with clear column headers, as this will help with the import process later. With your spreadsheet open, look at the top menu bar and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on Download, which will show you different file format options. Here, you need to click on comma separated value, also known as CSV. This format is essential because Google Contacts requires a CSV file to import your data correctly. Once you click it, the file will begin downloading to your device. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this might take a moment, so just wait until the download completes. After your CSV file has finished downloading, it's time to head over to Google Contacts. You can access this by typing contacts.google.com in your browser or by clicking the Google Apps icon in your Gmail and selecting Contacts. Once you're in Google Contacts, you'll see your existing contacts displayed on the screen. On the left side of the screen, look for the Import option and click on it. This will open a dialog box where you can upload your contact file. Click on Select File, which will open your computer's File Explorer. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the CSV file from Google Sheets earlier, select that file, and click Open or choose to confirm your selection. After selecting the file, Google Contacts will begin processing and importing your contacts. This step might take a few seconds or even a couple of minutes depending on how many contacts are in your spreadsheet, so be patient and let the system complete the import. You'll see a progress indicator showing that the contacts are being added to your account, and that's it. Your contacts from Google Sheets are now successfully imported into Google Contacts and will be available across all your Google services, including Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.